Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first type here game mode and click on it, and after that on Sear here just on Sear here enable this option game mode and go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and then go to graphics settings. And on Sear here enable this option and then go to task manager and go to startup. Now on Sear here all you need to do you need to disable all the applications that you don't need, applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC, like Spotify. Right click and click disable Steam, and that's it. Then restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.